Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change Instagram time zone. So if your Instagram showing the wrong time zone, if your post times, insight or schedule contents look off, this tutorial will show you how you can fix the time zone issue on Instagram. So Instagram actually doesn't let you manually change your time zone inside the app. Instead, it pulls your time zone from your phone settings or your connected Facebook business account if you are using professional tools like Creator Studio or Meta Business Suite. So the first method that you can do is change the time zone on your phone. So step one, you need to make sure your phone's time zone is correct. For Android phone, you can just go to settings and find the system. So scroll down until you find system, this one, and find the date and time setting, this one. And here you can just enable use a network provided time zone if you want to, or this one, set time automatically. And for iPhone, you can just go to settings, general, date and time, and also enable set automatically or change it manually. The second method that you can do is using the Meta Business tool. So if you are using Instagram scheduling or insight, it pulls time data from your connected Facebook account. So you can just visit the page business.facebook.com and then go to your business settings. Then just head to the business info and look for the time zone and update it. And this will sync across Creator Studio, Meta Business Suite, and Instagram connected features. Next, you can also confirm time zone is fixed. So to double check, you can just post something or check your story timestamp on Instagram and see if insights like audience activity match your local time. And if it's still wrong, you can try logging out and back in or update the app. And that's pretty much all. That's how you can fix the time zone issue on Instagram in 2025. If this helps, smash that like button, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and comment below if you want a guide on fixing schedule post timing next. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!